The DuraLITE Swim Raft by Great Northern Docks. These swim rafts can be ordered with the 20-degree snap-on swing-up ladder or the vertical snap-on swing-up ladder. With the ladder in the up position and the decking removed, the DuraLITE frame with floats can be dragged into the water and out of the water quite easily. Our standard decking options for the DuraLITE with removable decking are cedar colored lumber rock, gray lumber rock, or cedar with natural cedar color stain. The removable decking is held down with these latches. Just apply a little weight to the decking to push them down and turn them 90 degrees with a large Phillips screwdriver. The rafts can be ordered with rotation molded, air-filled floats or foam-filled floats. To anchor the raft, use one chain in the middle. This chain should have a swivel held in with two shackles. It's a great idea to leave this about 4 feet down on the chain so that you can reach it when it comes time to release the anchor. All shackles should be tightened with a wrench and secured with a wire or a zip tie through the eyelet in the pin and through the shackle itself. Your anchor can be a concrete block, a mushroom anchor, or a screw-in helix anchor if you're in shallow water. The helix anchors have major holding power depending on your soil. There's less sticking up to get hurt on in shallow water. Without a mask and snorkel, I was able to use my frog eyes to go underwater, screw in my helix anchor, attach my shackle, chain, and zip tie. I may only have to screw the helix anchor in one time. You can always mark your anchors with a buoy or tie a nylon rope to the chain before you drop it. Run that nylon rope to a tree on shore. The nylon will sink below the ice, if there's ice in your area, and below boats that might travel, late in the season fishermen, and just out of the way laying on the bottom, like me right now. .5/16 or 3/8 chain can be used, and it is held in this keyhole anchor plate underneath the swim raft. You can shackle it here to secure it so people don't undo it. You should use at least 1.5 to 2 times water depth and chain length. This will keep the raft from lifting the anchor in high winds. The ladders can be swung up when not in use, and to swing them down, engage the locking pins so they don't move. Our DuraLITE rafts can be ordered with a perforated decking that is screwed down. You might also like our FeatherLITE raft. Aluminum frame with the same perforated decking, or the option of removable stained cedar deck panels.